Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk to you about something that could completely shift the way you look at your online business, especially if you've ever felt stuck, like you're doing all the right things but the sales just aren't coming in. I've been there. You put in the time, the effort, you create great content, you build the funnels, run the ads, maybe even host webinars, and yet, crickets. That's where the Profit Hunter comes in. This isn't a course, it's not a bundle of templates, and it's definitely not fluff. It's a powerful AI diagnostic tool built inside ChatGPT by Jen Purdue, a seasoned marketer who's helped business owners recover thousands in lost sales not by doing more, but by identifying exactly what's leaking inside their sales process. Think about it. You might have a solid product, but if there's one blind spot in your messaging or a weak step in your funnel, it can quietly kill your conversions. The Profit Hunter helps you spot those issues, the ones you're too close to your business to see, and gives you a custom 7-day action plan to fix them. Not vague advice, but specific steps prioritized for the highest impact. What really caught my attention were the real-world results. Jen shares how simple tweaks like rewriting one email or moving an offer in the funnel led to $2,000, $13,000, even $30,000 in extra revenue. That's the kind of clarity we all need. Plus, it comes with AI tools to fix your PLR content, mine your personal stories for sales copy, and create automated workflows using prompts Jen developed in her own business. If you're tired of wondering why your sales are stuck, this might be the smartest 20 minutes you invest this week. If you want to learn more about the Profit Hunter, check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.